Well, ever wondered how some YouTubers effortlessly dominate their space? The answer isn't magic, it's a method backed by data, and we have that data. In this video, we'll dive deep into the strategies that successful YouTubers use to grow their channels. From understanding audience engagement to optimizing video content, we'll cover it all. You'll learn how to analyze your own statistics, make data-driven decisions, and ultimately, create content that resonates with your viewers. So, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to YouTube's success. Don't just build an audience, build a community. Forget about obsessing over your video title or thumbnail. Instead, focus on your target audience. Keep it simple. Remember, complexity is the enemy of execution. Your videos need to be engaging and concise, especially since the average attention span is less than 1 minute. Look for inspiration in your competitors' comments. These insights can reveal points not covered in their videos. Here's a quick process to follow for creating engaging video content. First, cue your content ideas by brainstorming and organizing them into a list. Next, script your ideas in detail, ensuring you have a clear outline and key points to cover. Once your script is ready, film your video with good lighting and sound quality. After filming, edit your footage using tools like frame.io to refine and polish your video. Optimize your video for SEO by using relevant keywords in the title, description, and tags. Finally, upload your video to your platform of choice and promote it through notifications, Instagram stories, and other social media channels to reach a wider audience. Consider using TubeBuddy for additional insights and tools to enhance your channel. Sustain your growth and continue to expand your reach. And don't forget to create a weekly newsletter series to keep your community engaged. Feel free to share these valuable resources with your friends. Sharing is caring, and by spreading the word, you help others discover content that can be truly beneficial. Whether it's a tutorial, a motivational talk, or an insightful discussion, your friends will appreciate the gesture. And don't forget to share in your WhatsApp groups. It's a great way to spark conversations and engage with your community. Imagine the lively discussions and the exchange of ideas that can happen when you share something valuable. I aim to compile everything I've learned from training sessions, webinars, feedback from fellow YouTubers, interviews, and more. My goal is to distill this information into a valuable resource for other YouTubers. Over the past 2 years, I've attended various knowledge forums to explore ideas and strategies for effective monetization. I hope this will serve as a rich source of insights for everyone involved. Look out for a series of notes, chapters, which are divided into various videos in this channel for your references. Encourage them to subscribe to our channel for the Point Channel expert tips and best practices. Subscribing ensures they won't miss out on any of our latest content, which is designed to help them grow and succeed. Subscribe now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more at the Point 24x7. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our new videos, giving you a head start on implementing the best strategies and tips. Join our community and let's grow together.